You know, one thing about filming your progress, taking these vehicles apart, working on them on YouTube for the whole world to see, is the whole world gets to see your mistakes. Well, ain't no sense in hiding them. There's my mistake. Oh well, all we can do at this point is fix it. Alright, we're back, making a little more progress. Got the master cylinder unbolted from the booster. Unhooked anything I seen that needed to come unhooked. Unhooked the, I'm going to leave the engine harness on the engine. I went ahead and pulled the entire wiring harness, the front body wiring harness, off in one piece with the fuse block. I didn't really have to do this, but it got it out of my way. It maybe took me an extra 5 minutes, and I'll save that in case I need it. It's in perfect condition. I doubt I'll ever use it, but unbolted the PCM, slid it on, just left everything plugged up, and unhooked all my vacuum lines and grounds. Getting this thing ready to pick the cab up. I know I need to unhook the power steering lines and some more of the AC lines over there where it goes to the compressor and this intermediate steering shaft. I'm gonna have to unhook this e-brake cable and whatever other grounds I find. But we're getting there. I've maybe been working on it 30 minutes, so we're making pretty good progress. Anyways, I'll be back when I make some more progress. Alright, guys. Alright. Let's see if I can get these body mount bolts to come loose. Well, unlike Chevrolet, Ford puts the bolts going down. That way all the threads are out exposed to the elements. So we'll see how good this comes out, but I'm not expecting a miracle here. Let's see. Come on out. All right, that's great. All right, let's see what the other side has for us. All right. Alright, great. The two front ones are out. Good deal. I'm going to have to dig all these parts out and try to get to the rear. I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, looks like the rear body mounts. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pocket up underneath this jump seat. So it looks like I'm going to have to pull this jump seat and rear seat belt assembly out on both sides. To get to these rear bolts. So that's great. But anyways, let me get these pulled out and I'll be back. Alright, we're down to it. Whew, let's see how this goes here. These are pretty rusty. That's not good. It's spinning the nut on the other side. It's been a long time, but I'm pretty sure that other cab did the same thing. I'm not quite sure what I did to fix it. I almost forgot the shifter cable. Not today. Alright. Alright. And we already got the e-brake cable disconnected and pulled through. It goes right there. Pulled it through. So there was a ground on the other side. I've already got that loose. So we're just about there.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Dad, you just ripped something.
As soon as I saw it, I said, whoa.
Well, it's off with the help of my wife and the help of my daughter filming. It was very not graceful. It was a good thing we're not saving this cab, because we definitely did a little damage to the roof right there with the strap, which is, I guess no big deal since we won't be reusing it, but it is a shame. Even though this is more than likely going to see the scrap yard when I'm done with it. But anyways, hey, working with what we got, we definitely would have been a lot easier using a lift. But we did get it off of there. And as you saw in the video, I did forget one thing. There is the rear connector for the rear body harness. Bolts to the bottom of the cab. As you can see, I pulled every single terminal out of that connector. But I will probably be using the one out of the original frame anyway, pending that it's still in good shape. And if not, then I'll have to repin that connector. But it's unfortunate. I got in a hurry. Things happen. It is what it is. And no need to get upset about it now. But anyways, cab's off. We got a pretty good little bit of progress made this week. And that's where we're at right now. I need to get that engine and trans out of there, and then I need to go pick up my other chassis. My other chassis, and start swapping stuff over. Get this frame cleaned up and pressure washed, and get this rear harness swapped over, or repair this one if I have to. Hopefully I don't have to. I'm hoping my other harness on the wreck frame is good. Pending no wharf rats have chewed it, it should be fine. But hey, got an extra rim in there that I didn't know we had. Good deal. Spare tire. But anyways, there she is. Got it stripped down. Got the front end cut off. Next thing we do is get this engine and transmission out of here. So anybody needs a 3-liter with a blowed head gasket or a cracked head or whatever's wrong with it, I got you. Actually, hey, this thing's had heads put on it before. Fairly recently, it looks like. So, not sure what's happened there, but that is definitely not the original heads. That has been repaired or replaced or at one time or another rebuilt. So, I mean, it did run. It hit on all 6. It just, water went straight into the combustion chamber. But anyways, there we are. And pretty upset with myself for destroying that wiring harness right there. It was definitely not my wife's fault, even though she feels like it was. It was not. She was there helping me best she could with this jerry rig setup that I have. And but my daughter sure was quick to tell me what I destroyed. Won't those kids always tell you that, huh? But anyway, there we are. That's where we're at right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching.